So we have a dial tone outside the house, but we don't have one inside the house. So this next step involves shutting off the modem. Now this is going to temporarily suspend your internet connection and this video. So I suggest sitting back, relaxing for a moment, and watching this section before you start your troubleshooting. So the first step is turning off your modem. And all you do is simply turn it off, switch it off, or unplug the power to your modem. If your phone works and you have a dial tone with your modem off, that's good news. It means you have a DSL filter somewhere in your house that's not working. A DSL filter simply is a small box, looks like this, a couple of jacks, and it fits into your wall. You will have a DSL filter plugged into each phone in your house. So for this first step, you're going to take your phone over to the first DSL filter, unplug it, and plug your phone directly into the wall and listen for a dial tone. If you find a dial tone, congratulations, you just unplugged the bad DSL filter. If you didn't have a dial tone, no problem. Just go on to the next DSL filter in your house and repeat these steps. With any luck, you'll find the bad filter. And when you do, just simply remove it. Your phones will work fine without it. You can pick up a new one for a few bucks at your local AT&T store. So if you have tried all your filters and they're working fine, and you still don't get a dial tone inside the house, there's one more thing we can try, and I'll show you that in the next video.